guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but it's been busy with 3 kids and life, and doing a little bit of life update video, little snippets of my past few weeks maybe, or a few days, I don't know. A lot of updates going on. I'll probably just do a voiceover and then show clips of my life with my kid. So yeah, bye. This is how my garden is growing. I just planted carrots there, so we'll see in a few weeks. So, yeah. Guys, here is a garden update. It's growing. The carrots don't seem to be growing yet, but I have to water them. We had a huge storm yesterday, so the soil still looks wet, but I'm going to put water anyway. Sadly, my tent got taken down by a storm, and the little birds that were in here, I think they're still in there. I'm unsure because this thing had fallen over, and I don't know if the parents have abandoned them or not. I don't know, because I haven't seen the parents around in a while, so that's kind of sad. But I don't want to mess with nature, and this is the chaos of the storm. The trees, I was afraid that these trees were going to fall during the storm, but they didn't, so that is a plus. And the play set behind, that was our old play set. Just so you know, it wasn't in that direction. It was so windy last night that it pushed the play set, because the play set is on gravel, so it's not like set in like ours. And look, it is diagonal, and my husband didn't put it like that. It was straight, like facing the kids thing. But yeah, it was a wild storm, really. Right now it's nice and sunny. Like, look at the sky. Still kind of cloudy, and just enjoying these summer days. My nieces and nephews, well, cousins, but nieces and nephews, because they're like younger, the kids' age, they're coming this tomorrow. So I'm going to be having 5 kids by myself. I'm gonna see what it's like to have 5 kids for 2 weeks, and the kids are gonna have the best time. Growing up, my cousins and I will always be at each other's houses, so I want my kids to have that same tradition. Since my husband's siblings don't want to give us any nieces and nephews, we have our cousins at least who all have kids, and we can have our kids grow up together. But yeah, so stay tuned for more on my life as a mom. And there's something on my cheek. I hope it's not a bug. Nope, it's like ash, I think. I touched something that was ashy. It was glitter. I have kids, so you know. Anyways, let me water my garden, and I had to turn this on so I could get water, forgetting that there was water in this pool because it rained. But yeah, plants up here, and look, it's a daisy. I mean a sunflower. It's a sunflower. It's growing. This, I think, I don't know, I grew it from a seed. I think it's a melon or a lemon, I'm not sure. This, I have no idea what it is. These, I have no idea what they are. They're probably just weeds, but they look nice, so keeping it. This is my little deck garden up here. But yeah, I think it came out a little bit too early. Usually the sun, when it comes down right here, this whole place looks so beautiful and magical. But I think it came out way too early to capture that. I want to give you guys a little glimpse of nature. Walking around. This is a tree that my dad and my husband cut last year. He's been taking from it. As you can see, it's all cut up here. We got chaos over there. We have a bear that loves to eat our food. Oh, look, these flowers are growing. There's a bush, and I don't remember what kind of flowers these are, but these grow so nice, and this whole place gets covered with flowers, and my driveway as well. It's so nice. If you know what these are, let me know down in the comments because I would love to know.